This is me again, and today I just got my wildflower. It's upside down, so you guys don't see the thing. But yeah, I'll open it off camera because it's gonna be hard. But my brother's in my room. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll just open it. I'll cut it open off camera, but then I'll show me opening up the box. Okay, one second. Okay, now I know I'm gonna cut it open on video because why not? It's upside down. Actually, no, I'm not gonna be able to. One second. Okay, I got it open. There it is, the wildflower's box first, and oh look, the leaves are upside down like they're normal. Actually, wait, no, that is not. Okay, this is done. Okay. Be careful with it because I never owned one of these before. It's probably really fragile for how short the stem is. Push that away. Here it is. Beautiful spaces.
Time's up. It's a little after 12. Leave the work for someone else. On this perfect day, nothing's standing in my way. Perfect day, nothing can go wrong. It's the perfect day. On this
This one's the 2004 version. The wildflower's box. It says I sing and dance to perfect days. Yeah, the same thing right there. Has a really nice box.
It does.
Yeah. It's really loud it's actually really loud too. Yeah, I'm gonna cherish this thing forever because it's so. I just love wildflowers. I just love singing flowers. They're like one of my favorite items. Well, I'll play it one more time. I'll play it one more time in a second. 1 second. Okay. Also, it's brand new in the box. It's actually really dope. I don't want to, but I'm probably gonna have to take it out of it when the batteries die. But yeah. Has the face, of course. And yeah, I'll just play it.
Time's up. It's a little after 12. Leave the work for someone else. On this perfect day, nothing's standing in my way. Perfect day, nothing can go wrong. It's the perfect day. On this
I love this thing so much now. Because I always wanted a wildflower, but now I finally have one. So yeah, I finally got it, and bye.